Hi there everyone. Today I'm going to be making a lentil and Swiss chard soup. So I will start by putting the water in the pot and putting it on the stove. I will add the lentils. These are washed. Make sure you wash yours because sometimes they have sand in it. Okay, we're going to bring this to a boil. Okay. See how it's coming to a boil? Doesn't take long. And I'm gonna start adding the ingredients that I have here. Celery. I'll add the garlic. I'll add the carrots. The Italian parsley. So now I'm gonna lower the heat. I'm gonna add some salt. We'll add the potatoes. And this is a nice comfort food. Tomato. Okay, it's gonna cook now with the Swiss chard. And when you clean the Swiss chard, you can put the stem and everything because they are so tender. Doesn't take long to make this soup. It's all the chopping that you have to do before. Stir. So this now is gonna cook for at least half an hour. Here I have the onions, which I'm gonna do them nice and golden in this pot. And then I'm gonna just put them with the soup. Cover the soup. As you know, we don't put any oil here now because I'm gonna do the onions. And I will see you soon. Okay, seems like that the soup is cooked. Okay, now I'm gonna remove it from the heat. I'm just gonna place it here for now. And I'm gonna do the onions. So these onions, they're gonna be golden brown. Okay, so I'm just gonna add them now. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour over the soup. Shut off the heat. Oh, it smells so good. I can wait until I have some. Actually, this is one of my favorite soups. And now, I just throw the meat. Okay, I'm going to set aside and show you what it looks like. Looks good, eh? It's optional, the pepper. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.